Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Rockwool insulation with aluminum cladding. I will be tell you some important tips about why you need to install. Let me explain you about condensate tank. You can should be covered with the insulation or rock wool 60 kg to 100 density. It is recommended. And you should be watch out about during the installation. Upper side and downside proper valve are covered. Branches are not fully covered, just leave for repair. Any downside should be covered, and also other parts which one you need to the cover with insulation and cladding. So this is very important because maximum temperature about 100 centigrade, so that's why condensate tank need to the cover for save the water. This is very important for steam boiler. Assalamu alaikum.